Guys, this one is really exciting. It's day 2 of the day in the life. I'm gonna show you guys what I've got going on today. Actually, there's quite a bit happening. We're here at our new office. We have a busy day at the office. I'm gonna be checking in with the team. And then after that, we have an installation that we need to check in on our client's house. So I'm gonna take you along for that as well. Let's get started. This is actually our new office. We're moving in, started yesterday. So you're gonna see a little bit of behind the scenes mess that's going on as we get set up. But it's an amazing office space, so we're really excited about it. It's a really big day, so we have meetings, some design meetings, and then we also have 6 new people starting today, including 4 interns. And I gotta go check in and see how they're doing with their orientation, so come with me.
We're just preparing for good content.
Amazing. Hi guys. Wow, it's a little surreal to realize we have 6 people that just started at the same time. Just thinking about a couple years ago where we were and how much we've grown. And literally I haven't met any of those people that are starting right now. I haven't met any of those ladies in person. You know, even the interview process. Becca took that on and she interviewed all of the interns and picked them and vetted them. And I know they're amazing, but it's surreal to like walk into my office and have people that I've never met before who are going to be part of the team. So super exciting stuff. Another crazy thing is these office spaces that we just got. So right here is the studio space where we're going to have the lead designers working. So if you come in, you get to see we're still setting everything up, so pardon the mess. But you know, this is the view that our designers get to have. And it's really, really exciting and kind of emotional to think about people like Abby that has been with me for so long. Hi, Abby. And has been facing a wall for so long as she's trying to be creative, you know, really have this amazing space where, you know, she gets this awesome view.
Yes.
Yes. Teresa's over here working, who's also my mother. AKA Beyond IG's second CEO, as we say it. This is gonna house all of our samples in our library, so it's gonna be a really creative space. So I'm super excited about this room. And it's directly across from the other studio where we're gonna have the juniors. As you can see, we've got lots of workspace available, so that everybody that's getting orientation today, when they start working, they each have a desk and their own workspace. I'm so ready for everything to be in its place and things to be set up. But yeah, the whole process of moving here has been fantastic. Okay, we'll talk later then. Okay. All right. I'm gonna take some time and answer some emails and check in on the projects and everything. But before I do that, I'm gonna check in with our junior designer, Kirsty, because she's been working like crazy on all the projects we have right now. To be completely honest, we're a little behind on what we have in our pipeline right now, and that's why we're bringing so many people in at this time. So what happens is Kirsty gets really busy, Abby gets really busy, Bree gets really busy. Everybody's like just taking on a whole lot of stuff. So I've got to check in with everybody and see how they're feeling about their task list and with things that are coming on down the pipeline as well. So I'll check in with Kirsty and then I'll check in with Allie as well, who's our new operations manager. She's been working on invoices and answering client questions and concerns. And she's got a few projects of her own internally, you know, just making sure that we're doing as efficient being as efficient as we can when we're working on these projects, especially because we have projects of our own as well, with putting the new office together and hiring so many new people. So I'll check in with her. Eddie's over here working in the corner, trying to revive my dinosaur computer. I'm just not quite ready to let it go yet. So he's doing a software update and also doing something to the hardware. I'm not sure, but he's working his magic. And yeah, the interns are gonna take a lunch. So after that, they'll probably be in here working. Everybody's gonna be busy. We have Gary working behind the scenes right now, setting up Sarah's office and Becca's office. So our admin staff is on the other side of the room. So I'll just be checking in with everybody after I check my emails. Okay, so the behind the scene girls, the admin girls, are actually both working on the orientation in the other room. So I'm just checking to see how their office is coming along. It looks like they've been pretty busy, but they haven't had a chance to get settled in. So I'll make sure to check in with Gary and with Eddie to kind of give them a little bit more of a hand to get them organized and settled so that we're not so bogged down with all this mess when we're trying to work. But this is their office right now. I just wanted to take the opportunity for a little reflection. You know, I haven't really shared with you guys how Beyond ID started and what our journey has been. But you know, being up here at this new office and walking into that orientation with all these new people that are starting and are so excited to be a part of our team has made me feel a little emotional and a lot grateful. It wasn't long ago, maybe 2.5, 3 years ago, where it was Sarah and I just starting from scratch. You know, I've been in business for 12 years. My company has gone, had highs and lows, and I always had a vision for growth, but never really took the steps and the initiative to, really make the leap, take the jump. And then more recently, we decided to just, start fresh. Anything that wasn't really working for us, we revisited, we sought the advice of business coaches and looked to other designers that were doing well and what they were doing, and then looked to other industries as well to figure out what they were doing that perhaps we could do as well to implement into our practice to make it better. And here we are today. It didn't take very long in the grand scheme of things. Abby has been by my side, Gary has been by my side from the beginning of this reborn of Beyond Interior Design. And I'm so grateful to them for sticking around and really believing in me and in the vision that I had. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm getting so emotional. But sitting here looking at this office has really put things into perspective. It's amazing. So if you're out there and you're a designer that's struggling or not really sure the direction you want to take, seek help. Look for colleagues and stand strong in your vision, and don't be afraid of be yourself in your creative right, and make things work, because we did, and we're so proud of it. So proud of what we accomplished so far. This is one of the funnest part of the project when we are actually doing installation. Now, in this project, we've had a couple of different installations because things were delayed due to COVID shipment delays. So this is part 2, where we're bringing in a few other things that didn't make it from the first installation. So there's going to be a lot going on today. I have the design team here. The lead designer, who's Bree, is actually on site. She's managing all of the delivery guys coming in, placing all the items. But right now we're in the dining room. This is becoming sort of a staging area at the moment, as we have some wallpaper being installed and we're bringing in the new furniture. So it looks a little messy, but it's gonna all come together. Some cool stuff we're gonna be doing over here is bringing in the main art pieces that we custom made for the spaces. When we did the first installation, the art was not ready, so we brought in some stand-in pieces so the client could fully experience their space. So you get to see, and I get to see too, because I haven't seen it yet, what the new pieces look like, and we're gonna do the swap. So as we come into the living room here, we're gonna be showing you how the space is gonna get transformed. We're expecting chairs to come in, dining table, and a few other things. Just had the art dropped off for this powder room and I'm dying. Sometimes I wonder how I come up with this. It looks so good. Check it out.